Hello students, welcome to Pravegaa education. So here we are here to discuss the question from the JAM 2025 examination. This is a question from the multiple selective MSQ question number 40, and the question is, for a body centered cubic BCC system, the X-ray diffraction peak are observed for the following values. Right? देखो क्वेश्चन सीधा सा है कि कौन सी ऐसी वैल्यूज है जिनके लिए ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो और वहां पर बीसीसी पर हमें क्या मिले, ऑब्जर्व्ड पीक हो, राइट, पीक ऑब्जर्व हो. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फ्रॉम द इंटेंसिटी डिफ्रैक्शन concept, geometrical structure concept, this is a condition on the HKL, and we all know that is a sum H plus K plus L. If the sum is even number, then we say okay, this peak will be observed, and if this is odd number, then we say that there's no peak observed. Okay, so peak will be observed for the H plus K plus L if this is even number. Okay, so the question is H square plus K square plus L square value कौन सा satisfy कर रहा है इसके अंदर, देखते हैं. So first of all, let's find out the HKL. Let's find out the plane, initial some plane which should be have the diffraction maxima. So from where we can start, just think like this. Whether we can take 1 0 0, no, because the sum is not even number, so 1 0 0 is not basically going to be possible. So the first peak, or you can say the first plane, will be 1 1 0, right? 1 1 0 is the first plane because the sum is 2, which is even. Yes, this could be observed. Next 1 1 1, no, again the sum is odd. अगला क्या ले सकते हैं? I guess the next should be 2 0 0. The 2 0 0, yes, the sum is even. Next क्या ले सकते हैं? If you take the 2 1 0, then again it will be odd, cannot be possible. तो फिर से हमें क्या लेना पड़ेगा? The next should be the 2 2 0, right? The next will be 2 2 0. This could be possible. And if you go to the next one, what should be the next one? 2 2 2. Yes, it could be 2 2 2. है ना? इस कंडीशन को ध्यान में रखना है हमें, इस कंडीशन को ध्यान में रखना है. The sum H plus K plus L should be even number, right? So these are the four plane which could be possible, right? And 2 2 2 actually. If you want to go beyond this, beyond 2 2 2, what should be the next one? This could be 2 2 4. This could be possible. But look at the H square plus K square plus L square value. This is 3 4 5 7. So I don't think we'll need, because if you add the 4 square 16, then 4, then 4, it basically become 24. We don't need that. We have to check the answer from these four. So 1 1 0, when you take H square plus K square plus L square for 1 1 0, so H square plus K square plus L square. So for the 1 1 0 value, you will get a 2, which is not in the option. For the 2 0 0, again 4. Yes, 4 is the option. 4 is in the option. So option B could be correct. Then 2 2 0. 2 2 0 means 8. The value of H square plus K square plus L square will be 8 for the 2 2 0, right? Again, this is not in the option. और फिर इसके बाद तो क्रॉस ही कर गया, because 3 4 5 7 only in the option. So option B is only correct, right? Although this is a multiple selective question, but yes, only option 1 is correct, and that is option B, right? Rest of the option A, C, D are not satisfying the condition as per the given information. Okay, thank you so much.